This screw is to mount onto the surface of the object that you try to mount this clock to. I was gonna do on a fence, old fence wood that is about 3/4, and it looked like it's gonna fit. It looked like it's gonna have enough room for about 1/2 inch or so. So the thickness from here to the bottom is about 1/2 inch, approximately. I don't have anything to measure that, but just from a guessing point here. Let's see if I can check that out. This, yeah, it's about 1/2 inch that you can mount them. And here's the little. I'm gonna try to activate it real quick here with the battery. It's a complete silent clock. Very smooth, kind of like automatic. All right. Thank you for watching.